Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video we're going to be talking about the Samsung Galaxy S11 and the S11 Plus. So as you know, both of these smartphones will be running the latest generation Snapdragon 865 processor, which is going to be one step above the Snapdragon 855 processor that we have right now on devices like the Note 10 Plus and the S10 Plus. So Ice Universe just recently posted the benchmarks, the Geekbench benchmarks for the Snapdragon 865 processor, and the results look quite incredible. So let me give you a quick perspective. So the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 has a Geekbench score of, for the single core, it's got 3,512, and for the multi-core, it's got 11,210. And basically the Snapdragon 865 processor that's going to end up being in the S11 is going to be 25% faster. And according to the benchmark that Ice Universe posted, these are the numbers that we have. So the single core performance is 4,303 and the multi-core performance is 13,344. So that is quite a jump from what we have on the Note 10 Plus right now. Now, to give you even a better perspective, say what you will about the iPhones, but we do know that the processors in the iPhones, in the latest iPhones, the 11 Pro Max, are the fastest processors in the world. So in comparison to the A13 Bionic chip that is in the iPhone 11 Pro Max, what we have is something quite similar. So with the iPhone 11 Pro Max, the single core performance is still ahead of the Rd. It's 5,472, but the multi-core performance is 13,769. So when we go back and we look at the Snapdragon 865 processor, you can see that that number is very close to the A13 Bionic chip, which is in fact something very good. Now, that is not everything that the 865 is going to bring to the table. We have some other under the hood improvements that is going to give us better camera. So the Snapdragon 865 processor is going to support up to 200 megapixel processors for the camera. Now, as you know, the S11 and the S11 Plus will most likely get a 108 megapixel sensor, so the 865 already supports that. On top of that, 865 is also going to support 8K video recording. It also has special cores built into it that's going to give us better noise reduction on the photos and superior low light performance. So not only is a higher performing processor, it also brings some really sweet enhancements to the camera and the video recording capabilities of a smartphone. So quick summary, is going to be 25% faster than the Snapdragon 855 processor. It's going to get you better performance when it comes to photos and video, low light, and noise reduction when it comes to the camera capabilities. So certainly we're looking for a very powerful upgrade on the Samsung Galaxy S11 and the S11 Plus. So of course this is great news for people that are waiting for the S11. Alright, so that's a quick update on the processor that's going to be used in the S11. If you do have any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below and let me know. And for now, guys, have a fantastic day, alright? I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, so if you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe to SAKITECH by clicking that button, and also click that bell icon on the side to make sure you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you do use Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, you can follow me at SAKITECH Online to get the latest updates as well. Alright, have a fantastic day.